This is the first turboshaft engine built and designed entirely in the UK since the 1960s. And here it is, almost entirely built. This is the first prototype GT50 engine. Welcome back to PC1 for a quick update on the build progress on the prototype GT50 engine. So just before the weekend, we gave you an update showing the progress on combustion testing and mapping, and also the first completed phases of build for the engine itself. We got the inlet casing and the accessories in, we got the intermediate casing in, the compressor shroud, the compressor, and we were just starting to build our way through the diffuser and into the hot section. Over the course of the weekend, the guys have worked tirelessly to now start building up the hot section and route all of the complex instrumentation throughout the engine that we need to be able to get the feeds out so that we can see what's going on inside the engine. Over the weekend, we've got the first stage cooled nozzle guide vane completed and welded to the front of the combustion system. We've got the front end of the combustion system installed into the engine. We've then started to build our way back up, routing the labyrinth of network of cables and hypodermic needles and tubing, all the things we need to get the instrumentation out of the engine. That's all got in. We've then got the main body of the combustion liner in, and then routed all of the instrumentation through that. And then we've got the combustion liner on. We've got all of the alignment done between the liner itself and the combustion casing. And then we've just got the remaining parts of the gas generator in there as well. So we've got the turbine disc, all of the intermediate shafts and the associated parts of the SAS system. This has all been pre-tensioned and is ready to go. It's now running really smoothly inside the engine, happily rotating, and we've just this second got the interduct in the back of the engine as well. So we've now got, essentially, with the exception of the bearing housing and the service pipes, all of the structural elements of the rotor and the gas generator casings are now in and together. And then with those last elements of the engine together, we're finally ready to rock.